So he says lunch, and I thought he said launch. Well, you can imagine my surprise when I found out that wasn't what he said.
Now I know launch sounds a lot like lunch, but I mean, come on.
So we're tumbling and tumbling through space. Maybe even space and time. I mean, where it stops, nobody knows.
We crash land on the planet Neptune, and Bernie wants to explore outside.
I mean, you know Mr. Wet Blanket. He doesn't want to do anything, but I insist we go out.
And we're captured by this evil alien. But then Selena saves us.
And now I'm back here with you.
Well, I'm glad you're here. I missed you while you were gone.
I missed you too, Amanda.
I just can't believe how much I missed you. I forgot how ruggedly handsome you are.
I forgot too.
So how are your liver snaps? Woof, you're wonderful.
And your slim physique?
How's that?
Have you been working out?
Yeah, what's it that? Bernie, can I have a word, please? If you excuse me for a moment.
Sure.
Have you noticed something strange?
Yes, your breath. It's horrid.
Not that, you idiot. This place. The fact that we have dates that like us.
Why is that strange?
She said she liked my slim physique.
Oh my lord, it's a simulator! Just like Calico said! Ah! Ah!